We are the best and you agree with me, right? No need to debate.
This one. I may end up doing the rugs also, but I'm not sure yet. So. Wasn't able to get that out. It looked like some type of slime or something. That's my last piece right here. So I've already got it pre-sprayed, already vacuumed out. It actually is in great condition. I see some little spots. Alright, you guys, we're gonna take you guys around this one. So, you seen how they looked before. This is how they look after. Now keep in mind, all of these wasn't bad. It was mainly these 5 right here. That was pretty bad. And I got a before picture of these also. I didn't do the rug. So, did the furniture. I didn't do this rug either. And I did this. One thing about black, you see all the little lint. One thing about it. But it looks good.